a picture of my train, Daddy.
So we can remember it. Alright, here we go. Noah likes it. Here it comes, Noah.
No, I got cheese. No, I got cheese, Daddy.
Yeah. Whoa. Okay, let's pick him up.
I'm supposed to go.
We had a major crash, baby on the tracks. Alright, load up the gold. Let's do another lap. Alright, start that train up. There we go.
We can't reach it now. Hey, baby's hands on our track. The track.
Oh, he'll be off. Here they go, Noah.
Okay.